This is the last of our drug kits. This is our full-size drug kit. This is part of the PRK system, which enables the operator to put the drug kit in the front pocket of the primary response kit. Inside this kit, there is plenty of room to ensure that all your contents are stored securely. So you have your IV equipment on the front panels, and then on the back panels, we have our non-Medis generic loops, which are individually labeled so that you can reorder these as you need as loops change. All of the loop sets are removable and replaceable, and if you choose to, we can customize those exactly to your requirements. This center panel is removable and again customizable because you may choose to carry a different range of sizes of equipment. The bag has a lockable zip so that you can track and secure the contents of the bag, and is made from our EnvironFrei material, which is wipe clean and antimicrobial. This is our full-size advanced drug kit from NEANN.